Top 100 important question for the HTML programming markup language, not programming. I got so confused. A lot of people just say it's a programming language. In this lecture, I'll be covering 100 important questions for the HTML, okay, hypertext markup language. If you don't know who developed it, so Tim Berners developed it, okay. So let's start from the very beginning question. That question number 1 we have, which HTML tag defines a progress bar. So if you want to do revision on it, so you can still watch this lecture. That might be very helpful for everybody, okay. So which HTML tag defines a scalar measurement? So basically we have a meter tag, okay. For doing this, we have a meter tag. Which tag is used for audio playback? That we have actually audio tag, okay. Which tag is used for video playback? That's called actually video tag, okay. Which attribute enable autoplay for media? Autoplay tag. Which attribute repeat media continuously? That's called what? Loop tag. Which attribute shows media controls? That's called what? Controls tag. Which tag defines a generic block container? That's called what? We have a div tag. Which tag defines inline container? That's called what? Span tag. Okay. Which HTML element defines metadata? That's called what? Meta tag. Which attribute specify character encoding? That's called what? Char set. Okay. Which tag defines browser tab title? That's called what? Title tag. Okay. Which HTML element contains visible content? That's called what? Body tag. Which tag defines root of HTML document? Then what? Called HTML tag. Which attribute defines language of a document? That's called what? Lang tag. Which attribute defines text direction? That's called what? dir tag. Okay. Which tag defines navigation links? That's called what? Nav tag. Which tag defines header section? That's called what? Header tag. Which tag defines footer section? That's called the footer tag. Okay. Which tag defines main content? That's called the main tag. Which tag defines article content? That's called what? Article tag. Which tag defines site content? That's called what? A site content tag. Okay. Which tag defines section programming? That's called what? Group tag. Okay. Which tag defines figure? That's called what? Figure tag. Okay. Which tag defines figure caption? So we have a fig caption tag. Okay. Which tag defines abbreviation? We have AWBR every for the abbreviation tag. Okay. Which tag defines quotation? We have a Q tag. Sorry, Q tag is the correct answer. Okay. Which tag defines long quotation? That's called what? Block quote. Which tag defines code text? That's called what? Code. Okay. Which tag preserves formatting? That's called what? Pre tag. Which tag defines keyword input? That's called what? KBD tag. Which tag defines sample output? That's called what? Samp tag. Which tag defines variable? That's called what? Var tag. Which tag defines the line break? That's called what? LB tag. No. So sorry. BR tag, break line. Okay. BR tag. So option C is correct. Which tag defines horizontal? We have HR tag. Okay. Which tag defines bold? So we have what? We can either use a strong or B tag. Okay. There is no any tag like bold exists. Okay. In HTML. Which tag defines italic? So either we can go with emphasize or I tag. Okay. Which tag underlines? So basically we have a U tag. Okay. Which tag defines small text? We have what? Small tag. We have subscript. We have sub tag. Okay. For the superscript, we have super tag. Okay. Sub tag. Which tag defines deleted text? So we have del tag. Okay. So we have option A, correct answer. Okay. Which tag defines uncertain text? Which tag? That's the ins tag. Which attribute makes content editable? That's called content editable tag. Which attribute enable drag feature? Draggable tag. Which tag defines image? We have a img tag. Okay. Which attribute define image source? So basically we have a source tag. Okay. src tag. Which attribute defines alt text? That's called what? Okay. So we have alt tag. Which tag creates hyperlink? A tag. Okay. Which attribute defines link target? Which HTML tag defines a form tag? Which attribute defines where from data is sent? That's called action tag. Okay. Which attribute defines HTTP method in form? That's called what? Method tag. Which input type is used for password field? That's called what? That's called password tag. Okay. Which input type is used for email? That's called what? Email tag. Which input type is used for a number input? That's called what? Number tag. Which input type is used for date selection? That's called what? That's called date tag. Okay, so that was I mentioned earlier. Okay, which input type is used for time selection? That's called what? That's called time tag. Okay, which input tag is used for file upload? Now you're thinking file upload, that would be the upload tag. No, file tag. Okay, which attribute allows multiple file selection? That we have multiple tag name as a multiple. Okay, not like we have a lot of tags. No, not that. Okay, this is not tag. Actually, multiple is an attribute. Okay, so inside any tag, you basically are gonna write down multiple attribute. Okay, as class and id we does. Okay, which input type is used for search boxes? That's the search option we have. Okay, which input type is used for url input? That's called what? Url tag. Which input type is used for telephone input? That's called what? TEL tag. Which attribute makes input required? That's called what? Required tag. Which attribute disable input field? That's called what? Disable tag. Okay. Which attribute makes field read only? That's called what? Read only tag. Which attribute provide placeholder text? That's called what? Placeholder. Which tag defines label for input? That's called what? Label tag. Which tag groups form elements? Field set tag. Which tag defines caption for field set? That's called the legend tag. Which input type creates slider? So for the slider we basically have a range. Okay. Which input type is used for the color selection? That's called we have a color input type. Okay. Which input type select month? So we have a month. Okay, we have a month input type. For the week we have a week. Okay, some questions are kind of a little bit tricky, but not mostly are easy. Okay, which attribute specify minimum value? That's called what? Min tag. Okay, that's called the maximum. We have a max tag. Which attribute defines the step interval? That's called what? It's step. Okay, which tag creates drop down list? That we have a select tag. Okay, which tag defines drop down option? So we have option tag for doing this. Option A is correct answer. Okay, make sure. Which attribute allows multiple selection in drop down? Okay, in drop down, what is it called? So we have that called multiple tag. Okay, whose tag group options and drop down, whose tag groups options in a drop down, that called what? That called OPT. OPT what? Options in group. Okay, which tag defines images? What? IMG tag. Which attribute defines images source? SRC tag. Okay, which attribute defines alt text? That called what? That called alt tag. Okay, alt text for the images. Okay, attribute, that is actually attribute. Okay, which tag defines hyperlink? A tag. Okay, and the next question, which attribute defines hyperlink destination? So basically what? Href tag. Okay, which attribute opens link in the new tab? That's called what? Target blank tag. Which tag defines an order list? That's called UL. Which tag defines the order list? That's called what? OL. That's called the which defines list item? That's called LI. Okay, makes it know the difference. Okay, order list, unorder list, and the list. Okay, we don't have any we don't have any tag like L. Okay, li for list. Okay, which tag defines a table? Now you think a table combination of row and column called table. Table is for table. We have a tag called table. Okay, we have a separate tag called table. Okay, so which tag defines table row? That's called what? TR tag. Which tag defines table data? That's called what? TD tag. Which tag defines table heading? TH tag. Which attribute merge column? Cos span. Okay, Which attribute merge rows span. Okay. Which tag defines audio? So basically audio, defining audio, we have audio tag. Which tag defines video? So we have a video tag. Okay. Which attribute enable autoplay? Enable autoplay. So we have a attribute called autoplay. Which attribute repeats media? Repeats media. Basically we have a tag name loop. Okay. Which HTML tag defines a section in a document? So basically for doing this we have a section tag. Okay. Which HTML tag defines independent content? For this we have article tag. Okay. Question number 400. Which okay. Oh, so basically we have done with 100 important questions in this lecture. Okay, so next lecture is coming after a while, so you have to just wait. Okay, until the lecture is coming, and after once the lecture will upload, go and watch the upcoming video after this, the video that will upload onto the channel. Okay, so yeah, subscribe the channel and like and share with your friends, and yeah, that's all in this lecture. Thank you so much and watching this video, and you don't know, that's the amazing MCQs I have ever prepared by myself. So that's a something that top notch content that actually exists. So this is what for the HTML. Okay, I have been covered everything about the HTML. Okay, not gonna you have any doubt about it.